What are the main ways that foreigners can own property here?
The common way is leasehold. It is straightforward. Apart from that, they can own condominium units where the units lie within the 49% foreign ownership quota in the project. As we all know that foreigners cannot own land in Thailand. When I moved to Phuket to work at the corporate council at Laguna, Phuket. At the same time, as being a Thai lawyer, I am also a licensed Australian solicitor. If you own properties or assets in Thailand, you can pass on to your next generation. Our main services in our firm are assisting foreigners who would like to buy property, who would like to set up business here in Thailand, particularly in Phuket, and who would like to relocate to Thailand or Phuket. So we are there to assist them from the start until they achieve whatever they want to achieve.
What percentage of your work is involved with property, do you think, in comparison to the rest?
Property, I think I was saying 85% is more
85.
property, yeah.
Okay.
And the rest will be, the rest 15% will be civil litigation, business setup, and visa, and any other related matter that foreigners need in Thailand.
What are the main ways that foreigners can own property here?
The common way is leasehold. That is the structure that most foreigner would take because it is straightforward, it's easy. They can register the lease in their own name. Apart from that, they can own condominium units where the units lie within the 49% foreign ownership quota in the project. Apart from that, if it comes to homes and villas, then they will lease the land and they individually might own the villa in their own name. As we all know that foreigners cannot own land in Thailand. After I graduated, I worked as a lawyer in court for 2 years. When I moved to Phuket to work at the corporate council at Laguna, Phuket, one of the island's largest property developer and hotel groups. After 4.5, nearly 4 years, then I left and established my own legal practice in 2005 and have been practicing as a property lawyer since then until now. So at the same time, as being a Thai lawyer, I am also a licensed Australian solicitor. So at the moment, I practice in both jurisdictions.
From my experience of dealing with lawyers in Phuket, there tends to be two camps. There's the Thai lawyers which have experience of dealing with Thai law in Thailand, and there are Western lawyers. Actually, they're not lawyers. They can't be called lawyers. I think they're legal advisors or something.
Consultant.
Legal consultants, right? And they have their Thai local team of lawyers which help them interpret the Thai law. But there's not someone actually like you. You're kind of unique in the fact that you're able to understand both systems and bridge the two.
In Thailand, our system is based on civil law, whereas in the Western countries, it is based on common law. So when they come to Thailand, they bring their own legal perception into Thailand on how things should work from where they come from, which is not the case. So my role is to educate them, to help them navigate the complexity of Thai legal system. So it's very important that buying from established developer and engage a proper lawyer to assist them.
How can I own property? Which is a common question that foreigners ask us. Another common question is, how can I pass on my property to the next generation?
Foreigners can pass the properties that they own in Thailand on to the next generation. The law, the succession law here is quite clear that if you own a property, doesn't matter you are Thai or foreigner. If you own properties or assets in Thailand, you can pass on to your next generation.
Okay, and then talking about the future of Phuket in general, what do you see coming up for Phuket? How do you see the island developing in the next 5, 10?
In my view, Phuket has changed significantly from when I first arrived here in 2001 until today. When I first arrived here in 2001, at that time, Phuket was seen as a resort destination, but now it had evolved to more like a place where everybody would like to come is to live and work and not just for a holiday anymore. Because Phuket nowadays had offer great infrastructure. We have got great hospitals, schools, so it attracts a lot, not just now tourists, but also attracts entrepreneur, business owners, and professionals. So I think that Phuket will continue to grow, but at the same time, still preserves its local charm.